If you use GoDaddy and want to switch the language or country on your account, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Changing the language can make it easier to browse your dashboard, manage your products, and understand every setting more clearly. So if you've been looking for a simple way to update the language in GoDaddy, you're in the right place. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the main GoDaddy page in your browser. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the footer at the bottom of the website. In the footer area, you'll see the current country and language setting displayed there. This is the option you need to click to begin the change. After you click it, GoDaddy will show you a list of available countries or languages you can choose from. Take a moment to look through the options and select the one you prefer to use. This could be a different language if you want the interface translated, or a different country setting if you need the site to match your region. As soon as you make your selection, GoDaddy will automatically update your account and product interfaces to the new language. You do not need to refresh the page or go through extra steps. The change happens immediately, which makes this a very fast and convenient setting to adjust. If the page does not update right away, you can simply reload the browser once to make sure everything appears correctly, and that's all there is to it. You've now changed the language in GoDaddy and can continue using the platform in the language that works best for you. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick GoDaddy tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.